Welcome to Stock Symbol Selects, where we decode market moves, one symbol at a time. Today we'll analyze NVidia, ticker symbol NVDA, using a structured approach that examines both weekly and daily charts. NVidia engages in the design and manufacture of computer graphics processors, chipsets, and related multimedia software. We'll start with the broader market context by looking at the NASDAQ Composite Index. Then on NVIDIA's focusing on specific technical indicators. Let's begin. Looking at the weekly chart of NASDAQ Composite Index. As of May 9th, 2025, the NASDAQ Composite Index is trading just around 18,000 points. The 9-week is trending upward to cross over the 30-week EMA, indicating a potentially bullish signal, with the 30-week EMA trending upward, indicating a bullish long-term trend. Volume has been consistent, supporting the upward movement. The MACD line is turning up towards the signal line, suggesting positive momentum. The RSI is around 50. Which is in the neutral of the oversold and overbought range, indicating that the index is not yet overextended. The ADX is at 30, indicating a strengthening trend, with the positive DI line below and turning up towards the negative DI line, suggesting a reversal towards an upward trend. However, have a look back in late March of 2022, and a similar pattern appeared. Back then, everything was lining up for a reversal to the upside trend, but the price and 9-week EMA failed to cross up over its 30-week EMA, and the price continued down towards the long trend line, or trend upward curve, if you will. Now zoom forward to today's price and chart pattern, and it appears to be in an almost identical situation. Could what happened back in March of 2022 occur again today? Let's dive in a little deeper in our analysis. Turning to NVIDIA's weekly chart, the stock is currently trading at $116.65. There is a long-term supporting uptrend line beginning from January 2023 to now. Also, a downward price trend channel is evident since the end of 2024, with the current price at the top of the channel's price resistance line. Further, we can see that a symmetric triangle, almost a downward-facing triangle, pattern has formed. The 30-week EMA is generally sloping upward, and the stock price is currently below the moving average, signaling a short-term neutral trend. Note that the 9-week EMA has begun to turn up, which may indicate an upward trend in the making. But this cannot be confirmed until the 9-week crosses up and over the 30-week EMA. Volume has been decreasing, not particularly strong during up weeks, indicating little accumulation. The MACD is turning up towards the signal line, indicating potential bullish momentum. The RSI stands at 48, in the neutral territory, still within a healthy range. The ADX is at 23, indicated in light blue, with the positive DI line below the negative DI line, the green line below the red line. But it is turning upwards, suggesting that the downward trend may be ending. Early signs of an uptrend possibly, but not confirmed yet. Only when the positive DI line crosses up and over the negative DI line will a bullish trend be in play. Analyzing the daily chart, the 9-day EMA is above the 30-day EMA, confirming short-term bullishness. This may provide a potential entry point for traders looking to capitalize on the ongoing long-term uptrend. Let's check further though. The ADX is at 9, which indicates a weak or no trend, with the positive DI line oscillating with the negative DI line, indicating neither the buyers nor sellers are in control. As the ADX has been falling, the trend has been weakening and entering consolidation. The MACD remains above the signal line, supporting continued upward momentum. However, volume has not been substantially higher on up days, suggesting a weak buying interest. The RSI, in pink, is at 59, which is in the neutral to slightly overbought range, indicating that the stock has room to move higher before becoming overextended. The stochastic oscillator, in green and orange, is at 97, indicating that the stock is at overbought levels, but not yet signaling a reversal. In summary, the current price is at the top of the channel's price resistance line. NVidia exhibits potentially strong bullish characteristics across both weekly and daily timeframes if and only if a candlestick fully closes above the channel's resistance line, open, low, and close included. NVIDIA's current weekly and daily charts form a symmetrical triangle pattern, as we've seen. The breakout from this symmetrical triangle pattern could go either way, as the name implies. The current price of NVIDIA is at the top of the symmetrical triangle. Whether the price breaks out from the top or bounces downward off of the resistance line and then breaks through the bottom support line and continues further downward is unknown at this point. With Trump's AI chip tariffs looming, NVIDIA could trend downward still further, similarly to the historical NASDAQ downturn we saw in March of 2022. Please note that this analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions or investing your hard-earned money. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like and subscribe for more technical insights. Bye. See you in the next one.